sometimes if you're going to move uphill, the first thing that happens is you move downhill a lot. And so if you want to escape from the straits that bind you now, you're not going to move forward and go up. You're going to move forward and go down. And that's another reason, this is also something that Jung talked about a lot, is that, on the road to enlightenment, you encounter all the things that you don't want to encounter first, like all the weaknesses of yourself, all the realizations of the tyranny of the world and the catastrophe of nature and all of that. And so you step out of your encapsulation, your ignorant encapsulation, and it's immediate plummet into something that's a desert, let's say, where everything is chaotic and where you're wandering around without direction. A real catastrophe. So it's, because one of the things you might ask yourself is that if enlightenment is possible, then why aren't people enlightened? Because if it was just a matter of going from a good place to a better place, it's like, well, man, let's just get at it. It's no problem, right? Why would we ever stop doing that? But it seems not to be that. It's that you're here and that's not good and it's unstable and you step out of it and it's like down to where you don't want to be. And you have to contend with that, and then maybe you can start your struggle upward. And so God is telling Abraham this, and he's also telling him that it's okay.